Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at the American-made Kershaw Dividend Series, available at KnifeCenter.com. Kershaw is known for their forward-thinking designs, produced both overseas and in the USA, and they always provide excellent value. Their Dividend Series brings together their keen eye for design and U.S. manufacturing to create knives at a price point that won't leave your bank account hurting. These knives are compact, lightweight, and feature Kershaw's world-famous SpeedSafe Assisted opening mechanism. The Dividend's base models feature a modified Wharncliffe blade, made from stonewashed 420HC steel, packing a ton of aggressive cutting action into the small frame of the knife. The flipper tab works with the SpeedSafe design to rocket the blade into action. The handle is made from lightweight GFN for plenty of grip. If you want a more premium feel in the hand, you can shell out a couple bucks extra for gray aluminum handle scales. If you like the design but crave a super steel to go with it, the high-end version of this knife turns things up to 11 by pairing M390 blade steel with black anodized aluminum handles. It also adopts a flat grind with a nice swedge instead of the hollow grind of the base models for even more enjoyable slicing performance. The best part is they haven't forgotten the importance of value that the Dividend name represents, meaning this knife is one of the most affordable ways to enjoy this phenomenal steel. To get your hands on one of these Kershaw Dividends, click the link in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. To keep up with all our knife-related content, make sure to like and subscribe. And in the meantime, visit the original and best online catalog of cutlery at KnifeCenter.com. And check back often to see what deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.